Hello, myself Krithika from CubikSoft Technologies. Today we'll be having an overview of Revit software. I think most probably everyone knows about Revit architecture, right? So Revit is a software which is meant for creating the elevations and also the interior designing for the building modules. Even in the Revit, we have some more platforms like MEP, that is mechanical, electrical, and plumbing features, where we can able to create the plumbing modules and the electrical modules and create the automatic routing system. And also we can able to do the structural drawings in the sense we can able to create the reinforcements required for the beams and columns, all those detailings, and we can able to do the scheduling, everything. So today we'll be just moving with the Revit software. So Revit in this version we are using 2021, and this is the Revit screen. So these are the models which has been already done by some of our students, and this is the menu bar. We can able to create the walls, doors, windows, everything can be placed. Even the components, that is what are the trees or any shrubs, table, chairs, everything can be created by using these components. And roof, any kind of roofs can be created, that is sloped roof, flat roof, all those things. An interior false ceiling can be created, and flooring and curtain walls determines the glass walls. So these are the curtain options, and also the staircases, rails, everything can be created. Even the wall openings and the openings in the ceilings, everything can be done by using the opening option. So when you take Revit architecture, the patterns, all those things will be covered in your Revit architecture module. When you go with your structures, we'll be moving with structure detailings also, that is creation of reinforcement detailing, structural works, foundations, connections, everything will be taken in Revit structures. And when you go with your Revit MEP, we have to go with system options. So HVAC. So HVAC means a centralized AC will be placed on the duct, and so the routing system will be provided. And for plumbing and for electrical, all those things will be doing with the system platform. So these are the three basic platforms, and all the other things are the common for all those things. That is to insert any AutoCAD file, you can able to insert, you can do any kind of changes or requirements you require. And massing and site is a topo surface creation. As like this, we have to create a site work, and in the site we can able to place the components, as all those things can be done. And modify, so whenever you do some kind of creation work, you have to do some kinds of modifications like move, copy, all those things. So in the modifying toolbar, you'll be having these kind of options. So these are the two main tables required. That is, one is the property box, and next one is your project browser. And this system browser will be used in the MAP options. So this is one of the basic elevational model which has been done by the student during his practice periods. So these are the basic models in the Revit. So when you do a simple plan option, you can just go with this default 3D icon and you can convert it as a 3D one. So it is not needed to create a 3D option as we do in the AutoCAD. You can able to create a 3D option by clicking just a single icon called as default 3D icon. So for more details and for more classes, you can directly visit our console, and you can just join for the platform for whatever is required, and you can develop yourself. Thank you.